Happy bonfire night. Bonfire night. Another one bites the dust. We're gonna set the bush on fire. I want to set the bush on fire. England, shoo! Well, no. This is lasting a while. This has been lasting a while. Yo! Well, happy 5th of November. Happy bonfire night too, I guess. Peace.